How to assemble an easel. Unstrap the canvas holder, leave it aside for the time being. The easel has 3 main legs. This is touch them so you get a picture of what the easel will look like. Raise the top part to a height fitting accordingly for the canvas that will be used. Raise the handle to lock in place. Spread the legs out by snapping this upwards. Undoes the legs. Snap it back in place to lock it in place. Repeat step with each particular leg. Again, if a further height is needed, there's a secondary step as well. Again, follow, unlock, 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 unlock. Holding out the easel, you can see the according height that you will need. Again, here is where the holder will be placed. By taking it and placing it accordingly in, it fits in to these grooves here, and there you have it. Your easel is made.